In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply discounts on an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to apply discounts on an invoice in QuickBooks Online step by step, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in your company, look to the top of the screen and click the Create button. This opens a menu of common transactions. Under the Customer section, click Invoice. This takes you to a new, blank invoice ready to be filled out. Start by selecting the customer you're invoicing. Use the drop-down or search bar to find the right customer. QuickBooks will pull in saved details automatically, which helps keep everything consistent on your books. Next, add the products or services you're billing for. Choose each item, confirm the quantity and rate, and make sure the description is clear so your customer understands exactly what they're paying for. As you add items, you'll see the subtotal update in real time. Now, scroll to the bottom of the invoice. Here's where you'll apply the discount. You should see a discount field near the totals. This field applies a discount to the entire invoice rather than just one line item, so it's perfect for a simple overall reduction, like a loyalty discount, a seasonal promotion, or a one-time courtesy. In the discount field, enter either an amount or a percentage. If you type a flat amount, QuickBooks subtracts that value from the subtotal. If you enter a percentage, it calculates the discount for you based on the subtotal. As soon as you enter it, watch the totals update so you can confirm the final amount looks right. Depending on your company settings and local rules, discounts may affect the taxable amount. So keep an eye on how the discount interacts with sales tax in your totals area. If you don't immediately see a discount field, it may be tied to your company's form settings or permissions. In that case, check with your administrator or review your sales form options to ensure discounts are enabled for invoices. When everything looks good, customer selected, items added, and discount applied, click Save and Close to record the invoice and return to your dashboard. If you plan to send it right away, you can also choose a send option, but saving and closing will safely store your changes. That's how to apply discounts on an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.